Well, you popped into my mind when we were doing this roof here because, and I'm sorry I haven't actually got back to you with a quote yet, but this is a perfect example. So you had a batten on yours going across. Let's say this is your batten, yeah, length of batten. You had one wedged here, so we've had to go along taking some of these bricks off. Do you see? And also it helps, you've got to get them lower, like breaking away. In some cases we've just had to take them out completely. It also helps with the ventilation because that tight to the top of the rafter can it can just stop the eaves from venting. And then the other thing is what we do to stop it sitting flat. Do you see all these new timbers we've added in? And that just slowly changed. So instead of these sitting flat like that, and when water gets here it can always run back, you don't want any part of your felt flat. You want it all to keep going to the gutter. So once the tiles go on here, you see it's all down angled, but if we wouldn't have added these timbers in, the back of this would have been sat down there, and in theory, after, not at first, the roofs are fine, new roofs are fine for a while, but a few years in, little bits of water that gets to the felt, it needs to drain off and go to the gutter. And yours and many others that I see, people don't bother doing these bits. They rip off the old roof and they just think, oh, we'll just lay them on, whatever, they're in. And it doesn't work. You've got to take the time and either break down the bricks there so nothing's sticking up beyond the rafter, and if the eaves trace is sitting flat at that point, just go along putting all new bits of timber in to angle that down.